In this video, we'll look at randomizing and shifting sounds in Polynome. In sequencer 1, I'm going to enter a pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to tap beneath to add some sounds. I'm going to use the keyboard and enter C, D, D, E, 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 F, 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 F. So each different note lines up with a note group. Now we'll go to Shift and Randomize, and note that we have a new option for sounds, and also in the Shift Randomize rhythm we have an option to link sounds. So you can see this is off at the moment, and if I use the Shift arrows, look up here, you'll see that the rhythm is highlighted, and if I shift it, the rhythm is moving but the sounds are not. If I link sounds, you'll see that these are also now highlighted, and if I shift, the sounds move with the notes, so C always sticks to the single note. And the same will apply when I randomize. C always sticks to the single note, D is always the two notes. If I cancel, we'll go back to our starting point. And then let's go and shift and randomize again. And this time, instead of shifting and randomizing the rhythm, I'm going to switch to sounds. And you'll notice now that only the sounds are highlighted. So on this page, these arrows and the randomize will affect only the sounds. So if I shift, you will note that the rhythm stays the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, but the sounds move. The C is moved 1 to the right. And same if I randomize, the sounds will be randomized, but the rhythm will stay the same. We cancel out of here, and let's add a second line of sounds. I'm just going to copy the line 1 to line 2, so I'm going to tap and hold and copy from line 1. And now we can go to Shift and Randomize, and you'll see that we have the option to shift line 1, line 2, or both. I think that's fairly self-explanatory, but let's shift line 1 to the right. You can see C has moved this way. Or we can shift line 2, or we can shift both. As with shifting and randomizing the rhythm, we can lock the shifting or randomizing of the sounds to the main screen. So let's turn on this time Shift Lock. We have to choose a direction, so I will choose to the right. And you can see that the right arrow is now a slightly lighter color than the rest. So I can use the arrows to shift manually, or this, after 2 repeats, will automatically shift 1 step to the right. So let's try that. So the C has moved, and then it moves again. So we can put that back. And if you want to change what is locked, you just go back into Shift and Randomize and change the settings. So let's say we want to only shift line 2, then that is what will be locked to this page. So you can see line 2 has moved. And these arrows are also only affecting line 2, because whatever we left this page as is what is locked here. So line 2, sounds. If we change this to rhythm, and we go to, let's say, randomize the rhythm, and I lock this, and link sounds, then randomize rhythm is now locked. So that's how you randomize and shift sounds in Polynome.